Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about lesson 61, units of length. So down here in the corner, I have copied and pasted the chart from page 446 in your book on units of length. So the top here shows our customary system in the United States. 12 inches equals 1 foot, 3 feet equals 1 yard, 5,280 feet equals 1 mile, or 1,760 yards equals 1 mile. Metric system, 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter, 1,000 millimeters equals 1 meter, 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, and 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. A meter is about 3 inches longer than a yard. So we'll refer to this chart throughout our examples. You will also need to refer to it for your lesson practice today. Again, it's on page 446. So here we go with example number 1. The tallest player on the basketball team is 197 centimeters tall. About how many meters tall is the tallest player? So first we're going to round. So 197 is going to round to 200 centimeters. And then I'm going to take a look at my chart, and I see that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So if I have 200 centimeters, that's going to equal 2 meters. Okay, note that the abbreviation for meters is just M, not ME or MET. The abbreviation is just M. So step 1, you round. Then step 2, you use your conversion table and convert it to meters. Okay? All right, example 2. 2 yards is the same length as how many inches? Well, first I need to know how many inches are in 1 yard. So I see here that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay. Well, 3 feet equals 1 yard. But that doesn't tell me how many inches I have. So if I look again, I see that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So 1 foot equals 12 inches. So the first thing I need to do is I need to find out how many inches are in 3 feet. So I'm going to multiply 12 inches per foot times 3 feet. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. So there are 36 inches in 3 feet. And since I know 3 feet is equal to 1 yard, then my answer is 36 inches. Okay? If you want to write it all out so it's easier, 36 inches equals 1 yard. This is actually a slightly better answer. Okay? Example 3. Hina walks the same route each morning and each evening for exercise. She walks at an average speed of 4 miles per hour. What is the total distance Hina walks each day if she walks K hours in the morning and H hours in the evening? Okay, so that's a lot. So she's walking at 4 miles an hour. Here we go. Okay, so 4 miles times K equals how long she walked in the morning. 4 hours times H equals how long she walked in the evening. Okay, so we're actually going to apply the distributive property here. Okay, so if we're adding up morning plus evening, we're going to say 4 times K for morning plus H for evening. Okay, so even though we don't really have a number, this is actually our answer. Okay, 4 miles an hour times the morning plus the evening. There we go, that's what I'm trying to say. All right, example 4. We'll talk more about example 3 tomorrow. All right, example 4. During PE, students performed a jump and reach activity to measure their vertical leaping ability. Class results are indicated on the line plot below. Each X indicates the vertical leap in inches of one student. What is the mode, median, and range of this data? Okay, this is going to back to a few lessons. So let's take and break this down. Okay, mode, the number most often, okay, the largest. So if I'm going to look at this, the mode would be 15, okay? It has the most number of X's, okay? The median is the middle, and we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, we'll come back to the median. And the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest. So I see that my highest is 23 and my lowest is 10. So I would subtract 23 minus 10. So my range is going to be 13. All right, let's go back to the median now. Okay, and I'm going to make up some more room. So to find the median, we have to find the middle, which means we have to write all of these X's in order from least to greatest. So 10, 12, 2 13s, 2 14s, 4 15s, 2 16s, 3 17s, 2 18s, a 19, a 20, 1 21, and a 23. Okay? Now I have to find out what is the middle of all of this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 data points. So I need to find the one in the middle. Okay? Well, the one in the middle would be 10 and a half. Well, I would have 10 on one side, 10 on the other, so I'm actually looking for point 11. So recount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 16 is our winner. So the median equals 16. Okay? All right, that is it. Go on to your lesson practice, and we'll review in the morning.